Mr. Wealth Answer here. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money on your mobile phone, and I'm going to put you on game. Now, literally, I am going to put you on games. I'm going to put you on games that's going to show you how you can make money simply by playing everyday games on your mobile phone. Now, the first time I heard about this concept, I was on my phone and I saw an ad. I was like, man, I keep seeing these ads. Is there some reality into it? Like, is there truth into it? Or is it too good to be true? So I decided to try a bunch of different ads. And for the most part, majority of the ads were either fake ads or they were games where they would make you go through hoops and hurdles to collect all these points, and then once you collect them, they give you another task that you have to fulfill in order to get the money, and then after you achieve that, then they give you another task. It's like never ending. But in the meantime, they bombard the whole app with advertisements, and for each ad that shows, they make money. So they're making a killing where a lot of people are trying to make money, but they actually never pay out, and that's just unfortunate. However, I did come across a few apps that did pay, but one in particularly that pays all the time, very easy, very seamless, and easy to do, that practically anybody can just download the app, start playing the video games, and making money right away. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in today's video, and I'm actually going to show you how much I've made so far. But to share with you how it works, I'm actually going to go into the app. I'm going to show you what the app is. I'm going to show you the different games I've currently downloaded, what I've played, and we're going to play a bit of the games, and then when the time comes to actually receive the rewards, we're going to receive the rewards, and then from there I'm going to pay myself out, and you guys will see in real time the money come in. Alright, so if you like this kind of content, guys, and you want to see different ways of making money online and just simple side hustles, please like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so give me that HBO special and help a brother out so that we can hit our target. Without further ado, guys, let's jump into the phone, and then from there I'm going to actually show you how the app actually works. Alright guys, so I'm in my home screen on my phone, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the app. I think it's a pretty cool app. So what you want to do first is go to your app store. So let's go to our app store. Alright, so once you're in the app store, you're going to look for Just Play. So go to Just Play, and it's going to come up, and as you can see, it has about 5.2k views. So you want to go to that one, and you're going to want to install it. So once you arrive here, just quickly install it. Awesome. So I just updated the app. So what we want to do now is let's open the app, and you could see when you open the app, this pops up. Now I've noticed that with Just Play, they don't give you all the games at once. It's kind of like you give you one or two, then you play those games, and then they release to you as you play. So the more you play, the more games starts to become available to you. All right, so it's pretty cool and interesting type of app. As you can see here, I'm gonna do a quick tour because we don't have much time before we have to play, and I can show you claiming a little bit of money. Hey, I just want to take a quick moment to share something important with you. If you're a trader, investor, affiliate marketer, or simply someone looking to make money online, this message is for you. We just relaunched our Wealth Mastermind group designed to help people from all over the world build a successful income online. So whether you're interested in starting or growing a YouTube channel, learning how to trade Forex, investing in the stock market, or building a thriving online business, becoming a VIP member could be your next big step. Our group is a community of like-minded individuals working together to create wealth by sharing knowledge, experience, and resources. In the group, I'll be sharing exactly how I'm expanding my YouTube channel, mastering Forex trading, and growing my affiliate marketing business online, plus much more. I'll also reveal the various income streams that are generating passive income for us online. We are currently looking to welcome 300 highly motivated individuals into our family, after which we'll be closing our doors. There's so much more to discuss, so if you're curious to learn more, just click on the pinned message in the chat below. We're offering a 7-day free trial, so you can join risk-free right now. Secure your spot today, and I'll see you on the other side. Now, let's dive back into the video. You have here $2.69. If I click there, you can see that I can cash out. Right now, there's 23 minutes left to cash out, so I can play any games right now, whatever I earn in 23 minutes, it's going to reward me. Keep in mind, every 3 hours this cashes out. So if you play for, let's say, 3 hours straight or 8 hours, you be getting your money as you are playing every 3 hours. So that's pretty much how it works. And for me, I choose PayPal to pay out. You can see you have different options here. You have Walmart. You can get it as an Amazon gift card. If you want to buy something on Amazon, you can get it through your PayPal, get paid it out in cash to your PayPal, and you can then send it to your bank account, whichever options you want. And if I go to past rewards, which I clicked, you can see I've made like about $35, $47. I played a little bit, not like crazy amounts, but when I'm bored, I'm not doing anything, or I'm just passing time, or just sitting there watching TV, or whatever the case is, I just might play a little bit. Like if I'm downloading something that's taking a while, I'll just go on and play. So it's just like there to pass time, but this is just completely passive income. And man, you can just literally play and maybe make 100 or 200 a week just by playing. But it does require a little bit of playing time for you to achieve that, but it's not impossible. So these are the cash outs that I've currently have. And we go back to play. So in rewards, if you were to click rewards, it takes you back here. If you go to play, it takes you to the games. All right, so you can see I have these 4 games. What I pretty much do, guys, is I group it, so it's just easy for me to kind of access the game. So I know these games are for this specific basically just play, and we are gonna play some of the games. So here's the first one. Now I'm going to play it, but I'm not going to play the whole 20 minutes, so I'm going to speed this up, but I will play a little bit of the game so you guys can see. And this one, if you guys haven't played it before, it's pretty simple. You can see, boom. Basically for this one, every time you win a roll, you win some points. Some games honors more points than others. Some games you have to kind of play the whole round in order to play. It all just depends on the game, to be honest. But I still find it pretty cool. Now, I have my notifications off right now, but if my notifications were on, you would see something pop up in the top where it will show you the accumulated points every time you earn points. But right now, because my notifications are off at this time of the day for me, it is not showing. So let's continue to play. Looks like I'm about to lose. Oh no. Now you probably like, I can do better than you, Mark. I can do better than you. Yeah. I know you can do better.
Stop the cap.
Okay. I'm feeling it, baby. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it, man.
Oh my God.
Right, look at me go. Look at me go. I think my highest score in this one is 1828. Yo, that looks low, but I'll be honest with you, man. This game is actually pretty hard to catch a score. Now, as you can see, this is how they make their money, man. They have the apps that come in play. The reason I like this one is because you can skip the ad after like 30 seconds, like literally 5 seconds. You can skip the ad. And if, let's just say, you actually lose, because sometimes you lose and you want to keep playing, you can actually watch an ad and it keeps you at that same level or where you were before. But that ad usually is about 30 seconds or sometimes a minute, but you have to watch the whole thing. So that's how they make the money. To be honest, it looks like a little bit of ads here and there, but hey man, if I have to watch ads to literally get cashed, I might. I think we might be stuck here. Yeah, we stuck. So you see, it says ran out of moves. Now, if I go game over, it'll start afresh. I could say one more chance, and it starts to play the ad. And as you can see here, it's 30 seconds. The same ad gave me 5 seconds, and it allowed me to pass it. But because I opted to watch the ad in order to keep my same level and my points, it has decided to let me watch this whole thing. So now this is gone. Okay, cool. So let's skip this ad. Cool. So now they dropped a little bit out of there. Okay, so let's just do a little bit more. All right, cool. Okay, cool. So that's that game. And then we have this game. Let me just double check the time. You see now we got 32,141. The beautiful thing is you don't have to get all these points to make money. Whatever you have accumulated actually adds up, and they give it to you when the cash out time happens. So we got 16 minutes left. Cool. So let's now look into this game right here. All right, so this one, you gotta kind of hit the ball down. It's a bit tricky. Right, and then the fire comes. Ooh, but if you hit the black thing, you're done. So you have to press it until you're able to hit all the balls, and then it goes to the next level. Of course, every little one you win has an ad, and that's just the nature of this thing. Okay, now let's go down. All right, let's go down. Let's see. Cool. Oh, this is one of those ones. I got it at the same. Okay, there we go. All right, it's not bad. All right, so the next one is, all right, Chef's Quest. This is the one you have to like match stuff, and it's a bit tricky. This one's a bit tricky because I've reached quite a high level. So I don't know if you guys played these ones before. Let me see that. Yeah, sometimes it wiggles. Boom. Ooh, we got it. Okay, beautiful. It took me a while to pass this level. I stopped playing this game because I couldn't pass this level, and I passed it. So, oh man, with some points even left, with some spaces left, and if you have spaces left, it gives you extra points, which makes you more money. So if you're able to pass the level and have a little bit left over, it's even better. So we gotta just wait for this ad to pass. Okay, so let's get out of this game. We have, okay, we still got some time. Let's see how much points we have accumulated. So see, that game guy gave us quite a bit. All right, so let's jump into I guess this one, and let's see what's popping. Okay. All right, let's continue. All right, so this one is like a block game. You can't allow the blocks to come all the way to the front, because if you do, you lose. So I won that round. So one of the tricks I do for this game, I try to put like the smaller numbers on top of the bigger numbers, so that when they like cash out, like the 2, I'll put it here. Like if you put like a 16 here, it will be hard for it to close out on that one. Like I put the 8 there, put 2, see 4, 8, see how it just all clustered there. And that's how I've been successfully able to play this game. Yeah, there's a lot of ads in this one. Alright. Oh, I passed. Alright, so that's cool. Let's see how much time we have left. Let's go back. You see that? 9:70 now. Got 7 minutes left. Let's make it count, man. So let's go to Bubble and let's see if we can make this one work. Play. No, I'm not playing this one. This one,
please,
this one's tricky.
no.
This one's tricky. You have to basically break out all of these kittens out, and we don't have much time. So I want a game that will allow me to win some more points. So let's leave that. Let's go to word puzzle, and let's see if we can do something with this. BLUE blue. Oops. BLUE. If you can't do any of the words, it scrambles itself. Black, red, right, and then yellow. Let's do one more. Breakfast. So eggs, immediately eggs. I'm from Ghana. No love eggs. Where's EGG? There we go. Milk. There we go. Bread. Okay. This is good. 9 out of 10. Let's take that out. It's like, okay, cool. Let's go here. See how much time we have. That's how many points we have. We got 3 minutes left. So what game should we play? That will give us the biggest bang for a buck. Let's just play the wooden puzzle. You might get like what, 3 cents, but it is what it is. Yeah, I think we good. 2.94. See. So now, as you guys can see, it was at 2.60 something. We just made 30 cents or something. And that was like almost 20 minutes of play. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I mean, you could make $5 to $10 a day, even $3 to $5 a day. It just depends, but it does add up. So, but anyhow, to prove now that you can actually make some money with this, we are gonna cash out. Okay, we're gonna cash out. just to prove to you this is actually gonna cash out, I'm gonna take it to my PayPal. So as you can see, the balance says 0. Now let's go back and let's cash out. So it should say $294, right? So you have to have this set up, of course. Make sure you set up your PayPal if that's the payment you want. Of course, you can also have it on your Amazon card or your Walmart card, and you confirm. It says congratulations for your successful cash out. So now you just go back to PayPal. Okay, so I refreshed and this is what came in. So as you guys can see, $294 came in. Guys, this is real deal, and you can actually make some money with this. It's not like you're gonna make killer, but hey, you could work and maybe save up and go for dinner, or go and play for a year and go on a trip. Right, couple $100, go on a trip. It's endless, right? Just depends on how much effort you want to put in. All right, guys, if you guys like the content and you like this gig, man, you got to show some love. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that notification button for more future videos like this, where I'm going to be showing you guys actual real things that makes us money that you can do in your spare time online. All right, Mr. Wealth Answer, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.